Hello, Alexandru. I have an urgent design that I need you to do, and it's one page that I want you to work on, and you just need to do some minor changes to it. You will find the PSD file in the design pipeline. It's in the next section, and it's the second one from the top, inquiry page in a booked state. So the page mockup looks like this right now, and the first thing I want you to do is make this green button a little longer and write, yes, please match me with an artist. Yes, please match me with an artist. Write that in the green button and make it a little bit longer. The next thing I want you to do is go down here to the artist presentations. I want you to remove the text and remove the read more link under all of the pictures. Instead, insert a button that just have this text on it, the name of the artist on it. So just insert a button that it should have the same width as the picture and be listed under the reviews and under this line right here. So right where the text begins, I want to have that button, and then put it under every picture, and of course move the other pictures up. I think the button it shouldn't be green because we want this one to be the main call to action button, but maybe you could use this kind of style where we have rounded edges, we have the orange thin border, and then we have the yellow background, and then I don't know what color the text should be in it, but maybe even this orange one. I don't know how that would look. You can try that out. The next thing is we have here 3 lines of artists. I want you to keep the 2 lines, but before the 3rd line of artist, I want you to insert a thin line that is dividing, and then write a small title under that thin line saying featured artists, so that the first 2 lines of artists will be normal artist, and the last line here will be featured artist. But they should of course be listed in the exact same way as above here, where we again remove the text, remove the read more, and insert the button under each of them. This one we don't have any changes to, but when we go down here, I want you to remove the dynamic customer name and just instead write customer. So just remove the things here that make it look dynamic, and instead just write message to customer, so that this page does not contain the customer name anywhere. Also down here under the picture, remove the dynamic customer name and just write customer with a text. The artist name can stay, and it can keep on being dynamic, so it will just look like that. Under the chat section here, I want you to add an orange divider line, again, just like this one, with same text. No, not with the same text, but same text style. And on that one, you should write similar customers looking for music. Similar customers looking for music. And under that line, I want you to take this entire box right here and copy it and put it down there. But I want you to put in 3 of these, but somewhere inside the box, you should write kind of a title, a bold text, a little bit more bold than this, and then just write customer looking for, and then this text. Okay, so let me just repeat that. After the chat section, you insert an orange divider line called similar customers looking for music, and under that divider line you insert 3 times this entire box, and in all 3 of them you insert title. It could be top right corner, it could be down here in the bottom, or it could be somewhere else where you write customer searching for, and then take this, make it a little bit smaller and put it somewhere in here. Under that section I want you to remove the footer as you see it right here, and instead insert an AdWords ad under the thin line here, so the footer will just have an AdWords ad inside of it. That is all. Please just do a version and let me go through it and see if it's correct.